I've got another really cool plant to tell you about today. This one goes by two different names, either Sedum or Stonecrop. And I'm holding two varieties that are pretty similar. This one is Mr. Goodbud with a smaller leaf, and this one is called Thunderhead. And these are what we would consider upright versions of Sedum or Stonecrop because there are also prostrate or trailing varieties as well. And there are many, many more varieties than the two that I listed. So why do I love these upright sedums? Well, for a lot of different reasons. One is they can withstand a huge variety of temperatures. So these actually grow from zone 4 all the way down to zone 9, which is pretty much most of the US. Which also means that for those of you that live in zone 7 or warmer, you can put these in a pot and they're still going to come back from the root every year, even in containers. Another reason to love them is because they're succulents. So succulents don't need to be watered all that frequently. You can pretty much plant these in the ground and somewhat forget about them, even neglecting to water them for long periods of time, and they're probably going to be fine. And like many other types of succulents, they're super easy to propagate, either through stem cuttings or by just propagating a leaf. Another really cool feature about this plant is it's a fall bloomer. So when many of your plants are done blooming for the year and starting to look bad, these guys are actually at their peak and just kind of carrying the weight of the beauty of your perennial garden. And these blooms are really attractive to many types of pollinators, including hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. This plant is also quite tolerant of different varieties or levels of light, so it will grow great in full sun or in partial shade. So yeah, go to your local nursery and find some of those sedum or stonecrop varieties and try them out in your garden.